Hi, today teardown of a second radar analog computer box. So the box is exactly the same than the other one, except it is symmetrical, so I will not show again how the box is made. So here is what we have inside this one. We have three modules, three computing modules. The first one is called site ISO altitude. So location ISO altitude probably. Site point of estimated point. And the other module on this side is called location or site step to step. So as you can see, this one is quite a big one with a lot of stuff. And what do I see here? Oh, it is something nice here, but I will not be able to reach this. In fact, we have a very nice thing in here. I have it is a lock. I have it in stock somewhere, so I will grab it from storage for you to show you what it is. It is some kind of special relay. On the top here you can see an army of relay, and more of these little PCBs. So I will undo the modules. So this side is exactly like the other. I guess, if I remember correctly, no. In fact, we have one screw on the bottom here. This one. It will unpop and make the connector. But at the same time, we have to deal with a screw which is buried back there. So I need to put a screwdriver in here. And here it is. So this module should come off now. A few more turns maybe. And this one is a really tight fit in the thing. By the way, removing is not easy. So here we are. The two other modules. So we can see better this thing. It is a metal can relay. I will not disturb its housing. I am even in focus. I will not disturb its housing. I will show you one directly. So here on this side we have these three modules with, I don't know if I will undo all of them. Yes, it is not a big deal. Just a matter of undoing screws. So let's go. Here, one here, excuse me. Oh, the last screw is hidden here. So as the other thing, the other modules, undoing the screw and make the connector at the same time. Must be a way to make sure the connector is properly mated and unmated. So this one are really long screws. And it slowly unmade the connector. Really nice. Here we are. So you can see at the bottom here just the wire harness, the connectors with the mounting plates and the nuts to receive the screws for the things. You can see here the relays and this plate here with screw holes receive in it Teflon insulated standoffs for putting components on them. Quite nice. I have seen it in other. It is quite regularly used in old aircraft equipment. Okay. So we are a few minutes later. Sorry, I did search in my stock for this a specimen of this part, and of course I cannot find them anymore. They must be somewhere, but nowhere. So in fact it is here a little tubular relay shielded in a metal case, but this one is quite impossible to undo. So I will put this on the side and we will have a look to the modules. So the first one, the bigger one, let me zoom in a little bit. I guess this will be good. So as you can see, we have a big motor assembly here, huge one, made by Artus in Paris. We have one precision potentiometer here, double stack potentiometer, more synchro motors or stuff here. And what you can see is this mounting plate, mechanical base plate, with the added part for the devices here. It is one single machined steel piece, it seems. We have on this side the relays with all their wirings, and you can see the nice little plates to attach them. Here is the other side of it. Here a very nice 2N341A transistor in a golden case, and this cover with the mechanical stuff. What do we have in here? Yes, it is more of the same kind of stuff we had in the other ones, but we've added micro switches here for feedback of the position, it seems. Big beefy connector with 3 rows of pins. Maybe I can undo this cover over the motor here. If I find a screwdriver, which will be quite complicated, I need a smaller screwdriver, please. This one. So I have 2 screws. What it looks like, this cover will come off. Because in fact one of the screws is missing already, so probably they did some repair and they did not bother putting it back in place. Yes, what do we have in here? We have brushes. I can see brushes, and it's all in fact. So not sure what this part at the back of the motor here is. Quite weird. Okay. So one thing you can notice on this potentiometer, made in Neufchâtel, Switzerland, by the way, there is a screw cap at the end, probably for a ball bearing, and they did lock this screw cap with a pin through the thing, through the slot in the screw. Quite amazing. So this was the first module. I will put this back together later. Second one. This one has not a lot of stuff in it. Just 2 mechanical assemblies. Some more of these little PCBs. So we have a few very crusty parts, by the way. I don't remember where it is, but it is see a very crusty capacitor. Here you can see this PCB is obviously not in the best condition. So one smaller mechanical structure here, and this smaller cover, which I will not bother undoing. Excuse me for the computer noise. So there is one more module here at the back with a transistor. And last one. Here the cover is a completely different shape, as you can see. There is one precision machined plate here for matching the other side. It looks like very nice transistor. You can see there is a T logo in the transistor, and more relays, of course. You always need relays. One more of these plates with Teflon insulators. So we will undo this cover. It is very tight, this one, so probably they did never undo it. And so I'm not sure if this is to allow pulling, maybe. Little pins poking out. Must be for this purpose. We have only 2 screws, so it should come off, but in fact it is a very tight fit, so you must pull at both ends at the same time, maybe, because you have not much room. Here we are. So just gears in, and this one are free to move again. So of course I would like to understand what all this stuff do, but it should require a lot of retro engineering and understanding of the concepts of quite obscure technology, by the way. At least this kind of computer could not get a virus. Very, very impressive. Okay, so it is all for now, I guess. If I can find any information on the thing, maybe there will be an update video. But for now, sadly, it is all what I can do, because I completely lack of information about what it does, except that it must be for targeting missiles and gun to the targets detected by the radar. Apart from that, I have no clue. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.